Are you experiencing bugs or glitches with your YouTube app on iPhone or iPad? Or is the app simply not working as it should? I've got a solution for you. I'm going to show you how to easily clear the cache on your YouTube app. Just follow these steps. First, open the settings on your iOS device. Then, navigate to the General section. Once you're there, look for the iPhone storage option and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find and select the YouTube app. On the next screen, you'll see a Delete App button, but we don't want to uninstall it. Instead, to clear the cache on your iPhone, click on the Offload App button. This will clear the cache and fix some of the bugs or glitches causing problems with the YouTube app. After the app is offloaded, tap the Reinstall button. This will reinstall the latest version of the YouTube app. Don't worry, you won't lose any data or login information. You won't need to log in again because this process doesn't remove your account details. It simply reinstalls and refreshes your YouTube app. Wait a few minutes for the app to reinstall, then open it and enjoy. If this solution worked for you, drop a comment below. If you found other solutions, share them in the comments as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.